Okay, so today we're going to take a look at a brand new 55 plus community that's being built in the Nashville area. It's absolutely amazing. You're not going to want to miss this. If you are looking for a 55 plus community in the Nashville area, this is great. It's called the Courtyards at Stewarts Creek. It's being built by Epcon, so it's an Epcon community, and this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. So you will want to check this out. Now, we do have other 55 plus communities in the Nashville area. You'll hear me talking a lot about Del Webb and West Haven, and there's a lot that are like that, but Epcon is going to give us another new option for another 55 plus community with great amenities, because I feel like mostly Del Webb kind of has this market cornered, and then West Haven is its own thing, but this is going to give us another option that's kind of similar to Del Webb. You've got more great amenities at a great price point. So if active adult 55 plus is what you're looking for, you're going to want to check this out. So today we're going to check out this brand new neighborhood. We're going to talk about the amenities. We're going to talk about the pricing. We're going to talk about the location, which is actually an amazing location. We're going to go through some of the models today, and then we're even going to go online. We're going to show you how you can price out your own house on their website. They have a phenomenal website where you can get on, price out all the options that you want, see the different floor plans, the different elevations, and just play with all that. This is one of the best builders websites that I've seen. I do talk sometimes about Signature Homes. They have a great website. I feel like this one might be even better for going in and pricing out your options and just doing that homework ahead of time, because a lot of times people want to know, like, what are the options? You know, even just looking at the different color configurations on the different exteriors and seeing what that can look like. It's nice to be able to do some of that stuff at home, price that out, and then just take it with you when you go in there to visit. But we're going to get into that really soon. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Jennifer Gramling. I'm a real estate agent here in Nashville and the surrounding area. And I just put out these videos trying to get you more familiar with Nashville. If you're thinking about moving here or relocating, it's a great channel for you. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. That helps me out a lot. But if you are moving to the area, if you have questions all about this neighborhood or any other just general questions about Nashville and moving here, don't hesitate to reach out. You can call, text, email, however you want to get in touch, and we can help you get all of those relocating questions answered. I'm helping people just like you every single day relocate to this area. So this is my specialty. It's what I do every day. So be sure to reach out. We would love to help you find the right place for you. Even if that's Epcon, we would love to help you with that as well. So don't hesitate to reach out. Okay, so this neighborhood, like I said, it's just getting underway. They've just started building. You can see right here, they're actually making really great progress. The amenities are underway. They are not finished by any means, as you will see as we go through here. But we are going to do, this is just going to be our first video on this. We will do a follow-up once those amenities are complete and give you a full tour of those amenities so that you can see them with your own eyes. But they do actually have a YouTube of their own, so I'll link that in the bottom too. So if you want to go over and pop onto their YouTube and try to see some of their finished amenities in other communities, these will likely be very similar to that, but you can just get an idea right here of what this area is going to look like, the neighborhood, the houses, and things like that. Okay, so first thing is going to be the neighborhood size. So this neighborhood is going to be just under 100 homes. So I think it's like 92 homes or something like that. So this is actually a really great size. So you're not going to have an overwhelming number of people in this neighborhood who are going to be crowding into the amenities, but you're going to have enough that you definitely have plenty of community. You're going to be able to meet plenty of people, make plenty of new friends. And as you can see from these videos, they are just getting started. So there are homes that are under construction. There are still lots to sell and build from the ground up. And then you've also got some homes that are already spec homes built, ready to be sold. So those are called quick move-in homes. They have those for you as well. It's a really cool thing when you move into a neighborhood like this. I mean, 55 plus communities, I feel like anyway, have tons of great community and things like that. But when you're moving into a brand new neighborhood where a lot of the homes are new, all the people are new. So it's kind of like going to college. So nobody really knows each other yet, unless they knew someone when they moved in, but mostly nobody knows each other. So they're all really looking to make new friends and make connections. So that's one of the fun things about moving into a newer neighborhood like this, that everybody's going to be new and everybody's going to be looking to meet people. So that's really cool. So this is going to be located in Smyrna, Tennessee. So if you're not familiar with Smyrna, I'm going to show you where this is on the map in a little bit. But as you can see, it's just beautiful Tennessee countryside out here. This is a gorgeous area and it's a really, really great location. So we are going to jump over to the map here in a little bit and show you where it is, just so that you have an idea. But this is a really great location here in Smyrna. And that's going to be Rutherford County, if that matters to you. But it is in Rutherford County in Smyrna. Okay, so one of the things you probably want to know about if you're moving into one of these communities is going to be the amenities. So you're going to have some fantastic amenities here. So you're going to have an open space right at the front of the neighborhood where you're going to have your community fire pit. So this is going to be a huge fire pit with lots of seating and things around it. This is going to be a gas fireplace. So this is going to be available year round to be able to go sit out and enjoy that fire and those beautiful Tennessee country nights. Then as we continue to fly over, you'll see where the pickleball courts are going to be. So So there's going to be pickleball. There's also going to be bocce courts here as well. And then over to where the clubhouse is going to be, and there's going to be a pool there as well. So inside that clubhouse, you're going to have a kitchen, you're going to have workout facilities, you're going to have meeting rooms, bathrooms, and then just outside those doors is going to be where that community pool is. So lots of great outdoor activities here, including that pool, bocce, pickleball courts. Everyone's loving pickleball right now. So much fun. So if you want to remain active and do some of these fun things, you've got that here. And then of course you've got that clubhouse for events or whatever you want to do. And then you are going to have sidewalks in and throughout here as well. People sometimes take that for granted, but when you're moving to Tennessee, not all even new neighborhoods are going to have sidewalks in and throughout. So if you're looking for a neighborhood that has that, you've got that here. And this is going to be, like I said, a decent sized neighborhood. So there's going to be plenty of room to walk. If you want to walk your dog or you just like to get out and get some fresh air, you can definitely do that here. You're going to have lots of room to get out and walk as well. And then you can see still just on some of these videos that you've got some nice streets in here to do some walking and stuff like that. Okay, so let's jump over to the map really quick. I just want to show you where it's located so you have an idea on that. And then we can jump into some of these houses, the designs, pricing, and all of those things. So let's jump over to the map really quick. Okay, so right here is where you're going to be located, Courtyards at Stewarts Creek. So you're going to be right here along this Rocky Fork Road. So this is just kind of a visual of what Rocky Fork looks like. This is actually a beautiful country road. One thing you need to know that it is kind of narrow and a little bit windy. So some people like that, some people don't. But if you zoom out, you can see that this is just a straight drive right here up into Nolensville. So you are in Smyrna, and Smyrna is going to be located right over here, but you've also got Nolensville right here, which is easy to get to. So you're only 10 minutes to get up into this downtown Nolensville. I have lots of videos on that as well. You've got lots of restaurants, things like that. And as a matter of fact, it's going to be super easy for you to get in. They're putting a new Publix in right here on the corner of Rocky Fork and Nolensville Road. And then there's going to be a Kroger right over here as well. They've got this new Nolensville Town Square going in. You've got the historic downtown right there. So you're really close to that, which is super nice. But then you're also really quick to get over here into Smyrna. So Smyrna is going to have a lot more as far as like big box stores and things like that go. Nolensville doesn't have a ton of that, but you have everything over here in Smyrna that you would need. And that's going to be just a quick 10-minute drive as well. So it's got your Target, it's got grocery stores, it's got Home Depots and all of those things. Really everything that you need is going to be located over here in Smyrna. So you're kind of right in between the two, which is super nice. So this is how you would get into downtown Nashville. You would take one of these two routes. It's typically about 30 to 40 minutes according to this. Probably the easiest way is going to be to go over here and jump on 24 and drive that up into downtown Nashville. But if that's bad, you could always go over this way and take 65 up. But it's going to be about 30 minutes with no traffic to get into downtown Nashville, and same to get over here to the airport, about 30 minutes or so to get into the airport, which is going to be located right here. So that gives you an idea of where you are located. But let's talk a little bit about the houses in here. So these are all going to be one level, except you can add a bonus room upstairs. We're going to see that in just a minute. But let's just walk through one of these and then we're going to jump on and show you the pricing. But just in general, pricing in here are going to be right around 600 to 800,000, give or take. So, but that just gives you kind of a general idea of what the pricing is going to be. And this is going to be a lot of your standard 55 plus community things. So mostly one level living, 2 to 3 bedroom homes for the most part, 2-car oversized garages you can get in here. But let's jump in and take a look. So as we go in, you're going to see there's a lot of really great features in here. So you've got some beautiful living rooms and you have options like these beautiful sliding doors across the back. Your kitchens, you have a lot of beautiful upgrades for your kitchens. So they do have the entire line of GE appliances that you can put into your kitchens, and that's all a la carte. So if you wanted to do cafe or you wanted to do monogram, you can do that series, or you could just do the basic GE. If you don't want to spend a ton on your appliances, you can also just go with that basic line. So that helps you price things out a little bit better. If you want to save more on your appliances and spend more somewhere else, you can do that. But you've got some beautiful farm sinks in here. You've got stainless steel farm sinks and you've got the white apron. So some great options for that. And then, floor to ceiling cabinets. These are great. So not all builders are going to offer these sorts of things, but a lot of really nice upgrades in this house. And that is one thing that people don't really want to compromise on. They want to keep great quality in these homes. So they want to downsize their life, but they don't necessarily want to give up all of their really nice features. So this builder is just allowing you to do that, keeping some of those nicer upgrades, but just, downsizing your house a little bit. So you don't have to have cheap features just because you're getting a small house. house. And that is where you sometimes have to compromise with certain builders, is giving up some of those nicer features at a lesser price point, but you definitely don't have to do that here. And then you can see some of the beautiful bathrooms here. And again, these model homes are still under construction. They are almost finished. They are about to actually have their grand opening. So if you are in town and you want to stop by there on June 20th, that is when they are doing their grand opening, and you want to stop in and see these models for yourself, definitely do that. Reach out to me. We can get you all the details for that. But they are getting these ready for those. So we just got you some quick videos to kind of show you as much as we can. Again, once the amenities are complete, we're going to go do more of a walkthrough of these, but this gives you an idea. So we want to show you a couple of different bathrooms. You can see some of the different finishes in here. You've got 3 different showers that you can choose from. So if you like a larger shower or a shower with a bench or the L-shaped shower, so you've got different shower options and lots of different materials for tiles and all of that. So you'll go to your design appointment and choose all of those things for yourself. But the really cool thing is going to be some of these courtyards. So the way that they've designed some of these homes and these layouts, you've got these courtyards on the outside. You can see that you can do some really fun things with these. And one of my favorite features actually was this screened in patio that's off of the owner suite. And if you go out through here, you can see that you go out through this screened porch into this beautiful courtyard area. And that is another thing that I would like to say, is that a lot of these homes do back up to open space or tree lines. So actually there's only one home in this neighborhood that's going to back up to another home. So if you're wanting to back up to nature and have a view out into some of these trees or pastures or whatever it may be, you can have those views out the back, which is really, really nice. And then upstairs on some of these models, you do have the option of having an upstairs bonus room. So with that upstairs bonus room, you get the bonus room, bathroom, and an extra bedroom up there as well. So you have options for that. And then downstairs, you have an option for a 3rd bedroom in some of these, or a study. So whatever makes the most sense. You've got a lot of different options, a lot of different things to play with. So just whatever makes the most sense for you. So this gives you an idea of what some of the insides of these homes are going to look like. But let's jump over to their website, because I think this will be really helpful for you, and just playing with some of the options, pricing things out yourself, and taking a look at some of those floor plans that are available. Okay, so here is their website. Like I said, I'm going to link this in the description. So if you want to go mess around on this, you should definitely do that. You can see virtual tours here, which I won't take you to do that right now, but they're going to show everything that they have here. So again, you've got bocce, clubhouse, fire pit, fitness center, green space, pickleball, and pool. So you got all your amenities listed right there in case you forgot. You can see photos of some of their models, this outdoor courtyard right here. You've got your site plan, you've got your area map, which we kind of already looked at the map. Your site plan here is going to show you just how this neighborhood is going to look. So you can see where all the home sites are right here. So if you're interested in that, you can see which lots are currently available, which ones are sold, and which ones are for sale. So as you can see, again, as I mentioned before, all of these are going to back up to open space. So you back to green space, trees. So it's going to be really nice and peaceful back behind you, which is really nice. But then we can go over here to home designs just so that you can look at the pricing on these. So you can see base pricing. They've got 3 different floor plans here, but there's a lot of variety to this. So don't think there's really just 3. So you've got 3 floor plans starting at $560 all the way up to $627. But then let's just say we're going to click on this promenade here, and you can go click on elevation right here. So if you click on these elevations, you can see the different exteriors that you have available to you right here, and you can kind of click through those. So these kind of vary in different ways if you want those to look kind of different. And then you can choose different color palettes as well to see how that's going to look with these different color palettes on here. If you want something very different, let's see if we can find something a little bit darker. So that gives you an idea of some of these different color palettes that you can choose. But then you can go in and price out all of the different options that you might want in here. So if you want to go in here and look at what some of your options are, you can click along the side. You can do a frosted glass pane door into your pantry. You can click that. You can choose your different bathrooms that you would want. You can put beams in your tray ceiling, things like that. But the easier way to do this too is you can look at all of your different options by going to design right here. Go to floor plan. You can do floor plan, or you can do this little dollhouse. Some people like the dollhouse. Some people like the floor plan. And you can see where these little circles are is where you can customize some of these different things. So you can put transom window in your master bathroom shower wall, and you can click on that if you want that. Again, you've got your kitchen cabinet layout. You can choose standard, deluxe, or your gourmet kitchen. Okay, well, let's just do all the things that we really want. Here you can choose your exterior doors in your living room. So let's take a look at that. So do you want your 15-foot wide multi-slide patio door, a 6-foot patio door, or the 6-foot slider? You know, getting whatever I want. All right, so I chose that. Exterior additions, so you can do standard concrete or you can do courtyard covered porch. Okay, and then on the owner's suite, you can choose doors onto your owner's suite. So you can do 6-foot sliding doors or a 6-foot patio door, or you can do no exterior doors at all, like whatever you prefer. I like lots of doors, lots of wide doors, so we'll pick that. So yeah, you can just go through here and choose kind of whatever you want. So you can do windows in your garage. You have different mudroom layouts that you can choose from. You can do a half bath here in lieu of a storage room. So if you don't want a storage room off your mudroom, you can do an extra half bath if that's important to you, or you can do an extended garage. So if you want more storage in your garage, you can do that right here as well. But then yeah, lots of different options. You've got your den, so you can do a bedroom in lieu of your den. So this is going to be where you would have either a bedroom or a study. So whichever one you prefer here. If you want this to be a 3-bedroom here on the bottom floor, you could choose this bedroom in lieu of den, and you can definitely use that as an office and just have the 3rd bedroom just in case. Or if you just want a dedicated office, the office is going to have French doors that go out into your living room, which looks really pretty too and kind of opens up the room. So that's kind of nice if you're not needing that 3rd bedroom. But you have a lot of different options here. But then the cool thing is if you add these things and you go back to exterior, you can go see all the things that I put in here. So I put in these little transom windows right here. I put these sliders across the back. So all the things that you did, you can kind of go in and see them from the exterior too, which is a really cool feature. So I like that a lot. Okay, so let's say you've gone in, you've added everything you want, then you can go ahead and hit send on this, and you can actually send the plan that you designed to yourself or whoever you want to send it to, just to give them an idea of all of the things that you love in a house, and just save that design. So when you go in, you've kind of gone through a lot of those options. It makes it a lot easier on you. Okay, so that gives you an idea of some of the really cool tools that you can use when you're researching this neighborhood, but this is going to be absolutely beautiful. So you're going to want to stay tuned. I'm going to give you more information as this neighborhood starts coming along, but definitely if you're wanting to get in on the front end of this neighborhood, I really encourage you to do that. There's so many great things about this neighborhood, but if you have questions about this one, comparing it to some of the other 55+ communities that are out there, there are actually a lot of differences between all of these different communities. So I'd be happy to answer all of your questions. I'm very familiar with all of these different neighborhoods, have worked in all of them, so would love to just help you get those questions answered if you're looking for a 55+ community or any community in the Nashville area. So like I said, definitely like this video if it was helpful to you. Also subscribe, let me know what questions you have, and if there's other videos that you want to see on other neighborhoods, please drop those in the comments, or you can send them to me. We will try to get those made for you. If you need like a video tour or walking through some of these, happy to do that for you as well. Just reach out to me with whatever questions you have. We have a lot of other really great content coming out soon on other communities, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.